2015 Honda Odyssey Turner Elite. This is the new crankshaft position sensor. And I already took it out, so sorry about that. But I'm just doing the process over again. The clip right there, it was hard to push down, so I just used my nails to pull it up and pulled the sensor apart from it. Put the new one on here. Put it back inside of here. Snap it in, twist it so that it aligns with the hole. Trying to look through the camera, that's not. I've never done this before, so. But it was covered by this, and it's right next to the catalytic converter. It's right underneath it, in between the transmission and the engine. So you have to lift up the car to get underneath it. It's really simple. It's just 3 10mm nuts that hold it. So it's just this one, and then 2 that holds this. I had to use an extensor plus a 10mm long one for the one that was let's see, where was it? Somewhere over here, I can't remember. I'll figure out when I put it back on. And then another one was right here, and I had to use this in order to fit in between these two. But so it's on there real good. Just give me this back in. I'm doing this in the O'Reilly parking lot. I wasn't really fully prepared for this, so they actually let me use some of their tools that they had. Thank God for that. Because the 10mm I had was too fat. There we go, that's one. My arms getting tired from holding this. Oops, upside down. I'm an idiot. Sorry. Trying it this way. Once you at first loosened it up, it wasn't really that hard to get loosened. Where's the hole for this one?